Hi friends, welcome. I'm so excited to be able to see you this way since we can't be at school this week. I made us a calendar so that we can do our regular circle time. But before we get started, how about if we rise and shine together? You know that. Ready? Let's rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here. Can you reach up high and touch the sky? Now bend down low and touch your toes. Slide up and reach out wide. Give a big stretch. Move in slow motion. And give yourself a great big hug because me and Miss Carrie miss you so much. Spin around. And normally I would say sit back down. I don't know if you're sitting or standing, but I hope you have fun with us today. Are you ready? All right, our calendar. I wonder if you remember where the days of the week are. Remember, they're up here at the top of the calendar, and all of them are there. So here we go. There's, don't forget the pat, Sunday, and there's Monday. There's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday, and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday, the days of the week. 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 Now that we know the days of the week, we need to figure out what day today is. If this was yesterday, I know that the very next empty spot is for today. So I'll hop one because that's the next spot. I'm gonna slide to the top. See that day of the week? Can you see that letter that it starts with right here? It's an M. Do you remember what M says? The M says The M says Every letter makes a sound. The M says Now that we know that M says do you have a prediction about what day of the week it is? Let's sneak up on it. Ready? Monday! Good job. If your prediction was Monday, give yourself a pat on the back. Today is Monday. Now that we know the day, we need to know what number goes in that spot. There's a lot of numbers out here. Do you think you can count with me? I'll tap. You remember to pat. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. 30. I wonder if you remember what two numbers make a 30. A 3 and a 0. Let's see what those look like. All right, are you ready? Remember how to make a 3? It's a backwards C, backwards C. That's the way you make a 3. And a 0. Around the world like a hero, back to the top, and you made a 0. I wonder if you can see that. Let me get closer. I might have to get a better color marker. 30. So now let's see if we can find 30 to put on the calendar. I have 2 of them. This one has a 3. Is that 30? No, I still can't trick you, can I? How about that one? Is that 30? It is. Today is the last day of this month, which means tomorrow we start a brand new month. Speaking of which, I wonder if you remember what month this is. Let's look. It starts with an N for no. I see no. November. That's right. November. So now we know that today is Monday, November 30th. The year is 2020, and the season is still fall. I added the seasons to this. Can you see them? Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Oh, do you see what fall starts with? An F. I love the letters. How about you? I have a new letter for you. I know you're going to love it, but I almost forgot to do the weather. Let's do the weather first, don't you think? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or is there sun? You should go look out your window. Take a quick peek. I'll wait for you. Are you back? Did you see the weather? It's not supposed to be nice today. It's supposed to rain all day. I hope you got outside yesterday in that beautiful weather. But today is supposed to be rainy. Let's see if we can find rainy. This over here says the weather today is sunny, cloudy, rainy, or snowy. Rainy. Do you see the raindrops? That's definitely it. Do you remember what letter rainy starts with? Let's put it in our spot. Hold on 1 second. See if you can see this marker better. Rainy is a R. Good job. Nope, we can't see that marker. Let me try one more, my friend. That's better. Rain. A. Do you hear that A? Remember, R is a little man with a wave, and A goes around like a circle with a kickstand. Now there's a silent letter in there. You can't hear him, because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. The second one just follows silently. That's an I. Rainy has a silent I. This doesn't work very well, this marker either. All right, I'm trying one more time. We had R, we had A, we had I, N. Do you remember what letter says N? N, that's right. Rainy. Rainy. We talked about this. All the weather words have a letter that borrows E's sound, but it's not E. They're borrowing it. It's Y. That's right. Rainy. Today's weather is rainy. This right here is asking me if it's cold, chilly, warm, or hot. That's a thermometer. If it's hot, I can go outside and go swimming. We can't do that today, can we? If it's warm, I could play outside in a t-shirt. I think it's too cold for that too. If it's chilly, a sweatshirt like this will do. If it's cold, I usually need a winter jacket. I think it's going to be somewhere between cold and chilly. So I'm going to put my star right there. All right, now we know that today's weather is rainy and the date is the 30th. The month is November. It is still fall, and tomorrow we'll get to do all those months over there. I have a new letter for you. Do you remember? I'm so excited about it. It's the letter C. And the reason I'm so excited about the letter C is not just because C is for cookie. Now, that's good enough for me, but that's not why. The reason I'm so excited about the letter C is because C is the letter of my favorite season in the whole year. Do you know what my favorite season is? It started the season of Christmas. We prepare for Christmas by waiting for Jesus to come, but Christmas starts with a very cool letter, the letter C. And C starts at the top, and he comes around almost like you're going to make a big circle, but you stop. Can you see that? It doesn't close. That's the capital letter C. And the lowercase letter C, he's so cool because he looks just like the capital letter, just smaller. Check this out. C. I just remembered you have your whiteboards. Could you go get it? Go get your whiteboard and try the letter C, a capital and a lowercase. I bet you're going to do a great job. You know what else I would really like you to try today? Practice your name on that whiteboard. Make sure when you write it, you start all the way over to the left side. That's under your name that I wrote. You'll find your first letter. Start underneath that first letter and go in the same direction. Try to keep all your letters next to each other, not all over the board. See if you can put them together. Remember, to make a word, they have to stay together. Otherwise, they're just fun letters all over the place. But we love fun letters too. Do your best. I can't wait to see. Have Mom and Dad send me a picture, okay? Keep looking out for my next video. You're going to have one with a story about my favorite season. See you soon. Bye, friends.